Hello, good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your mathematics class once again. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. My dear students, as you all are know very well that your half yearly examination is going to be held from 5th of October. Okay? And for preparing half yearly examination, from 2 days we are going to start revision. We have finished our half yearly syllabus, that is from chapter 1 to chapter 5, means looking back to multiplication. Okay, so I hope you all have understood all chapters very well, and if you have any confusion, so once again I am going to remind all chapters. So our today's topic is place value and face value. Today we will revise place value and face value. I had taught you place value and face value previous videos in detail. So if you want to detail, so please go through the previous videos. Okay? So without wasting our time, we will start our 2 days class. So before seeing place value and face value, we will look the 4-digit number. 4-digit number. So in 4-digit number there are 4 digits. Firstly, my dear students, tell me, this is 4-digit number or not? This is 4-digit number or not? Yes, this is not a 4-digit number because there are only 1, 2 and 3 digits. Okay? Now look at this number 4278 and tell me, this is a 4-digit number or not? So you can say this is a 4-digit number because in this 1, 2, 3 and 4 digits. Okay? And place of this digit this is at ones place. Ones place. This number 7 at tens place. 2 at hundred place. And 4 at thousand place. Okay? So it means the number is 4278. 4278. Okay? And remember one thing, when we will start naming their place, we will always start from right to left. Okay? मीन कि हम कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होता कि हम यहाँ से, जैसे इसको यहाँ से हम स्टार्ट करें, इस ये वंस, ये टेंस, ये हंड्रेड, ये थाउजेंड. नो, दिस इज रॉन्ग. हम क्या करते हैं, ये प्लेस इनका वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड एंड थाउजेंड, इसके आगे होगा तो 10,000 लाइक दिस. तो हम राइट टू लेफ्ट इनको नेम देते हैं, हम इनके प्लेस को शो करते हैं. सो वंस, टेंस एंड हंड्रेड एंड थाउजेंड. ओके? सो by using it we will see the place value and face value. Suppose that this is a number 4278 and we have to tell the place value of 2. So my dear students, place value is the value of a digit depends upon its position in the place value chart. मीन्स कि किसी भी नंबर का, किसी भी डिजिट का दिए हुए नंबर में प्लेस वैल्यू उसके पोजीशन पे डिपेंड करता है. मीन्स कि वो किस पोजीशन पे है, जैसे कि वो वंस पे है या टेंस पे है या 100 पे है या फिर 1000 पे है. तो सपोज दैट इन 4278 यू हैव टू टेल द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2. सो टेल मी ऑन विच प्लेस 2 is. So 2 is 1s, 10s and 100. So 2 at 100 place. 2 at 100 place, it means we'll multiply 2 with 100. So when we multiply 2 with 100, we get 200. Okay. So it means the place value of 2 in the number 4278 is 200. मीन्स कि इस नंबर में 2 का प्लेस वैल्यू कितना है, 200. ओके, लुक एट द अनदर एग्जाम्पल. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 इज 4896 4896. Okay, and in this number we have to find out the place value of all the digits. मीन्स कि 4896 में जितने भी डिजिट हैं हमें उन सब की प्लेस वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट करना है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. सो वी कैन सी 6 at 1s place, 1s, 10s, 100 and 1000. So 6 at 1s place. So the place value of 6 is 6 ones. The place value of 6 is 6 ones. So we will multiply 6 with 1. Ones means 1. We will multiply 6 with 1. So it means 6 ones are ones. We get 6. Okay. 9. So the place value of 9 is 9 tens. 9 tens. It means we will multiply 9 with 10. 9 multiplied by 10. So we get 90. Okay. So 8 at 100 place. So the place value of 8 is 800. 800. So it means we will multiply 8 with 100, and when we will multiply 8 with 100 we get 800. Okay. Now place value of 4. So 4 at 1000 place. So the place value of 4 is 4000. 4000. So we multiply 4 with 1000. We get 4. So 4000. Okay. So it means in the number 4896, place value of 6 is 6. Place value of 9 is 90. Place value of 8 is 800 and place value of 4 is 4000. मीन टू से प्लेस वैल्यू मीन्स कि किसी भी दिए हुए नंबर में अगर किसी भी डिजिट का प्लेस वैल्यू पूछता है तो मीन्स कि वो किस प्लेस पे है, वंस प्लेस पे है, टेंस पे है, 100 पे है कि 1000 पे है. ओके. अगर वंस पे है तो हम उसे 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो सेम नंबर आएगा. टेंस पे है तो उसे 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 100 पे है तो 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और 1000 पे है तो हम 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करके हम उस नंबर, उस डिजिट का प्लेस वैल्यू बता सकते हैं. ओके. नाउ लुक एट द फेस वैल्यू. face value. So the face value of a particular digit in a given numeral is the value of digit itself. मीन्स कि किसी भी दिए हुए नंबर में किसी भी डिजिट का फेस वैल्यू वह नंबर खुद ही होता है. सपोज दैट नंबर 8327. Okay, so in this number the face value of 8 will be 8. फेस वैल्यू किसी भी दिए हुए नंबर में वो डिजिट स्वयं ही होता है. कहने का मतलब कि फेस वैल्यू कभी भी चेंज नहीं होता है. 7 किसी भी नंबर में हो या किसी भी प्लेस पे हो, लेकिन 7 की फेस वैल्यू हमेशा 7 होगी. 2 की फेस वैल्यू भी हमेशा 2 होगी. 3 की फेस वैल्यू भी 3 होगी और 8 की फेस वैल्यू भी 8 होगी. ओके, लुक एट अनदर नंबर 3269. So in this number the face value of 9 is 9. Face value of 6 is 6. Face value of 2 is 2 and face value of 3 is 3. Okay, तो किसी भी नंबर का किसी भी डिजिट का फेस वैल्यू वो डिजिट खुद ही होता है और फेस वैल्यू कभी भी चेंज नहीं होती है. वो हमेशा सेम होती है जो कि नंबर ही होता है. So I hope you all have understood about the place value and the place value. Place value of a digit depend upon its position, but the place value of the digit itself in any given numeral. Okay, so now we will solve some question based on the place value and face value. So question number 1, the difference between the place value and the face value of 5 in 1536 की 1536 में हमें 5 के प्लेस वैल्यू एंड फेस वैल्यू के डिफरेंस के बाद बताना है. ओके, सो फर्स्टली वी विल राइट नंबर 1536 and we will find out the place value and face value of 5. So we can see 5 at ones, tens and 100 place. So 5 multiply by 100 is equal to 5 hundreds. It means, so this is the place value of 5. Okay, and the face value of 5 is, so we know face value is the number is and digit in the number digit itself. So it means the face value of 5 will be 5. Okay, and now we have to find out the difference. Okay, difference means subtraction, या इन दोनों के बीच में कितना difference है. So what we will do, we will multiply 5, we will subtract 5 from 500. We will subtract 5 from 500. Okay, so we have to subtract 0 ones from 5 ones from 0 ones. So we know this is not possible, so we will carry from tens. Here we can see at carry, this is also 0, so we will carry from 100. And when we will carry, so here will left only 4, here will be 10, and in next step when we will carry from 100, so here will left only 9 and here will be 10. Here will be, so 10. So we can subtract it. So 10 minus 5, 5. Here 9. So 9 minus 0, 9. 4 minus 0, 4. So we get 495. It means, so the difference between the place value and the face value of 5 in 1536 is 495. हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना था, 1536 में 5 के प्लेस वैल्यू और फेस वैल्यू के बीच में डिफरेंस. ओके, So this is our answer, 400. Now this is your homework time and you have to solve given questions. So question is, write the place value and face value of. So you can see on your screen there is some number and you have to find out their place value and face value. Okay, and in last we will see the solution of previous homework. My dear students, in previous class we had solved 1 to 5, question number 1 to 5 of exercise 5th I. Okay, and remaining question means from question 6 to 10 I had given you to solve. So my dear students, you can see I have written all the solution of previous homework as well as those questions solution that we had solved in previous video. Okay, so question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 we had solved, and you have to solve in homework question number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So I hope you all have done your homework, and now you have to match your answer with this answer. Okay, so please match your answer with this answer and prepare your notes properly and neat and clean.